Hello everyone, welcome to the next Victorinox review, my part 4 I believe video. Now, I have first here the compact, which I have ordered off Amazon. As you can see, main large blade, got your scissors, which is actually the first knife I have in the at least 91mm with scissors. Really good, actually chop up some of the set. That's nice. Next, it has a cap lifter, bottle opener, wire stripper tool with a screwdriver at the top, which I'll demonstrate near the end. And let me see if I can get this out. The multi-purpose hook, which is very useful for grabbing stuff like this. My clock. There we go. But really useful for that. Okay, I'm just gonna get it. So next we have come on, camera. That's fine for now. So next we have a Victorinox Bantam. I got this about yesterday. Now this is a single layer 84mm knife. As you can see, compared to size. Small. If you can well over focus, which probably never will. And it has basically the main tools. You got your single main blade and your cap lifter, bottle opener, wire stripper, and screwdriver. Of course, you got your classic toothpick, classic tweezers, and that's about it. Now, to make this video a bit longer, I'm going to actually open the can. No, I'll save that for another video. That'll take 15,000 minutes. So, let's just do what I told you I would do earlier. Well, I can't do it with my left hand. As you can see, I'm doing it. There we go. Yay. And this is one of the spots where I put my knives around the house. If I can ever get it closed, that is. Now, here you go. And bam. There we go. That is it for today's show of Victorinox knives. The next show will be a little bit longer, and it will probably be not a review, probably be a test or something. So stay tuned. Goodbye, everyone.